In this video, I'm going to show you a simple mobility routine that will restore the dimension of movement that most people have completely lost, and that is rotation. Everybody moves forwards and backwards all day, walking, sitting, standing, even at the gym, pushing, pulling, squatting and deadlifting, but it's all in one plane. But your body is designed to move in various dimensions and various planes, to spiral, to twist, to rotate through your spine, your hips, your shoulders. When you lose rotation, everything else starts compensating. Your lower back takes over for your hips, your neck compensates for your thoracic spine, your body finds a way to move, but it's not efficient. This routine restores rotation from the ground up. 3 levels: lying down, kneeling and standing. We start where you have the most control and we build up complexity as your nervous system wakes up. Your movement will feel completely different after this routine. More fluid, more connected, and like your body actually works as one system instead of isolated parts. So let's get into it. Starting on the ground level, we're going to do supine spinal twists. Laying on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Drop both knees to one side, your arms spread wide. Allow gravity to do the work. Don't force the twist, just let your body settle into it. Breathe. Each breath creates a little more space. Your spine starts unwinding segment by segment. This is where you can actually feel what's happening. Your lower back releases, your mid-back opens up. You can sense which areas move easily and which don't. That's information for you. Some sections of your spine rotate freely, some are locked up from sitting all day. You're going to switch from side to side, staying in that position for a couple of seconds and feeling how your body feels and how it releases over time. Let each breath work deeper into the twist. You're going to complete 60 seconds total of work, moving from side to side. Next movement is thread the needle. Come to the hands and the knees. Thread your right arm under your left. Follow it with your eyes. Let your shoulder drop to the floor. You're rotating through your thoracic spine, your upper back, the area that gets locked up from sitting all day and hunching over screens. Your thoracic spine is designed to rotate, but most people have lost this ability completely. Their upper back is one rigid block. When your upper back can't rotate, your neck takes over, your lower back compensates, your shoulders don't work properly. Everything else works harder than it should. Breathe into this twist. Feel your shoulder blades settling against the floor. Feel your spine opening up. Switch sides, same thing. Let the movement be slow and controlled. You're going to complete 5 slow, controlled reps to each side, holding each bottom position for 3 to 5 seconds. That groundwork established the foundation. Now we are adding complexity. We're going to challenge that rotation in positions where your body actually has to work to control it. Moving on to mid-level with kneeling thoracic rotations. You're going to kneel on one knee. The other foot is planted in front of you, one hand behind your head. Rotate and reach your elbow towards the ceiling. Lead with your eyes. Your head follows. Your spine follows. Everything connects. This is functional rotation. This is how you should be able to move when you reach for something high, when you look behind you, when you twist to grab something. If this feels impossible, that's fine. That means that you need it. Your body has forgotten this pattern. So go slow, feel where you get stuck. That's where the work is. Don't force range of motion. Just explore what you have and gradually your nervous system will give you more. Switch sides and do it on the other side. You're going to complete 8 to 10 controlled reps per side. Next, we move into the low lunge with rotation. Back knee down, plant your hand on the inside of your front foot. Now rotate your opposite arm towards the ceiling. Feel how everything connects. Your hip opens, your spine rotates, your shoulder reaches. You're going to feel cracks in your spine, and that's totally normal. This isn't just a hip stretch. This isn't just a spinal twist. This is integration. Your hip, spine, and shoulder are all part of the same kinetic chain. When one moves, everything else responds. Most people stretch these areas separately, but your body doesn't work in separate pieces. It works as a whole unit. So breathe, let the rotation deepen naturally. Don't force it, don't push it. Switch sides and notice which side feels more open. That tells you where your body compensates. You're going to complete 30 to 45 seconds of movement per side. Your body is remembering what it's capable of. Now we take all of that and integrate it into standing movements. Real-world positions where rotation actually matters. We start with spinal waves and added rotation. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Start a wave from your head. Let it travel down through each section of your spine. As it reaches your hips, add a gentle twist. Your spine isn't meant to be rigid. It's meant to move fluidly through multiple planes at once. Forward and backwards, side to side, and rotation, all at the same time. This is what healthy spinal movement looks like. Not locked, not braced, but fluid and responsive. Let the movement be smooth. No jerking, no forcing. Just wave and twist. Feel how your entire body participates. Your feet, your hips, your shoulders, your head. Everything moves together. You're going to complete 10 to 12 slow and controlled waves alternating rotation direction. And finally, we move on to windmills. Feet wide, reach one hand down towards the opposite foot. Let your other hand reach up towards the ceiling. Your whole body spirals from your fingertips to your toes. This is three-dimensional movement. Rotation, flexion, and side bending all happening together. Most people can't do this anymore. Their hips don't rotate, their spine doesn't spiral, and everything moves in one flat plane. But you're building this back one rep at a time. So go slow. Feel the spiral through your entire body. Control the descent, control the rise. This is functional strength through rotation, not just muscle, but coordinated, controlled whole body movement. Switch sides, keep it smooth, keep it controlled. You're going to complete 8 to 12 controlled reps per side, getting deeper and deeper each time. And you're going to finish off with standing hip spirals. Stand on one leg, let your other leg sweep in a wide arc forward, out to the side behind you. Your standing hip has to rotate to control this. Your spine has to counter-rotate to keep you balanced. This is dynamic stability through rotation. Your body is working in 3 dimensions to control a simple movement. If you wobble, that's fine. That's your nervous system learning. That's your balance system waking up. So go slow, control the movement, feel your entire body working to maintain balance while rotating. Switch legs, same thing, slow and controlled. You're going to complete 8 to 10 controlled circles per leg. And that's it. 15 minutes, 3 levels, ground, kneeling, and standing. You just moved your body through dimensions of movement that most people never touch. Rotation through your spine, your hips, your entire system. Your body isn't designed to move in one plane. It is designed to spiral, twist, and move in 3 dimensions. When you restore rotation, everything else improves. Your back will feel better, your hips move more freely, your shoulders stop compensating. Do this routine regularly and watch what changes. Not just in how you move, but in how your body feels, how it responds to everything else that you do in your day-to-day life. This is maintenance. This is how you keep your body functioning the way that it is supposed to. Not just now, but for the rest of your life. Consistency, that's all it takes. Let me know in the comments how you found this routine and what you want to see next. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.